This example relevant for accounting equation. In accounting, we are going to provide information. Therefore, from the beginning, you have to know how to record transaction by using accounting equation. As well as based on those information, you have to know how to prepare income statement as well as statement of financial position. Let's think about this example. It has given balances of one enterprise, a sole proprietorship, as at 1st March 2021 is given below. It has given opening balances. Think about accounting equation: assets equal equity plus liability. And asset also given separately: property, plant and equipment, stock, trade receivable equal debtors, and cash balance. That's given cash at bank, that's a cash balance. Then equity also given separately as capital and retained earning. Liability is also given separately: trade payable, other payable, and loan. Think opening balances are also given. It has given balances, opening balance, 1st March 2021, and given following transaction and events took place during the month of March 2021. It has given only 1 month information. Month of March 2021 is given. Think about opening balances also given, and it has given there are 20 transactions. Normal transaction, it has given there are 20 transactions, and there are 3 requirements. First one, it has given using the accounting equation. So the impact of about transaction number 1 to 20 with value, and state whether each value increase plus decrease minus in front of the value. Use the following format for this purpose. It has given format also. Think about basic equation: assets equal liability plus equity, but now it has given separately assets, and equity also given separately, and liability also given separately. And second requirement, there's income statement of the business for the month end 31st March 21. As well as third requirement, there's statement of financial position as at 31st March 21. Right from the beginning, I'm going to discuss how to record information by using accounting equation. After that, I will discuss how to prepare income statement and statement of financial position. Right, first one, prepare the format. It has given format also, and opening balances also given. First one, draw the format. It has given format: assets equal equity plus liability, and asset given separately, equity also given separately, liability also given separately. From the beginning, opening balances should be recorded. It has given opening balance, therefore balance should be recorded from the beginning, and it has given balances. See the example, those are the opening balance: property, plant and equipment, that is a land, building, motor vehicle, office equipment. Common words: property, plant and equipment. Stock, trade receivable and cash. Capital, retained earning, as well as liability also given opening balance. From the beginning, opening balance should be recorded. Record opening balance. Opening balance should be recorded from the beginning. And property, plant and equipment, it has given values in 1000. Values it has given opening balances, values in 1000. It has given values in 1000. It means 30 already cut. Values it has given 1000. And record from the beginning opening balances. Property, plant and equipment value equal 92,000. And stock opening balance it has given 64,000. Trade receivable opening balance equal 85,000. And cash it has given 10,000. Then capital 59,000. Retain earning 35,000. Trade payable 85,000. Other payable 18,000. Loan 54,000. From the beginning, opening balance should be recorded. Then it has given there are 20 transactions. From the beginning, try to recognize how to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. Let's see the transaction number 1. It has given Ruan invested 20,000. Think about values in 1,000. 20,000 cash and 8,000 worth of motor vehicle as a capital. Think values in 1,000. Opening balances also given 1,000. Therefore, Ruan is owner, invested cash and motor vehicle as a capital. Think about 20,000 property, plant and equipment increase and cash increase. Both value effect for capital. Think equity also given separately. Therefore, think about first transaction. Transaction number 1. It has given Ruan invested 20,000 cash. 20,000 cash as well as 8,000 motor vehicle. Therefore, motor vehicle effect for property, plant and equipment increase and cash invested 20,000 and both value invested by the owner as a capital. Therefore, capital, additional capital should be recorded under capital columns. Equity given separately. Under capital column should be recorded owner invested value. Effect for capital also increase. Effect for capital increase, therefore plus. And think about second transaction. There are 20 transactions. Given purchase goods 30,000 on cash. That is cash purchase 30,000. Goods purchase on cash. Think cash as well as it is effect for stock 30,000. Therefore, stock increase 30,000 and cash decrease 30,000. Effect for cash decrease 30,000. This is the cash purchase. Think about transaction number 3rd one. Rupees 38,000 worth of bank loan was obtained from commercial bank. Loan obtained 38,000. Think values in 1,000. If it has given big value, should be record values in 1,000. Loan obtained 38,000. Therefore, it is effect for cash as well as loan. Therefore, third transaction, loan obtained 38,000. Cash increase 38,000 as well as loan increase, liability increase 38,000. Third transaction, loan obtained. And think about fourth transaction. Sold goods with cost value 90,000 for 165,000 on cash. That is a cash sales. Think about 90,000 worth of goods was sold for 165,000 on cash. Think about what is effect for stock and cash. Difference value should be considered as a profit. Therefore, fourth transaction, 90,000 worth of goods. Therefore, effect for stock decrease 90,000. 90,000 worth of goods was sold for 165,000 for cash. 165,000 on cash. Stock decrease and cash increase. Difference value 75,000. That is profit. Now, equity given separately, capital and retained earning. Therefore, income and expense, its effect should be recorded under retained earning columns. Therefore, retained earning increased by difference value 75,000. That is profit. Think equity given separately, income and expense, its effect should be recorded under retained earning columns. Only additional capital and drawing should be recorded under capital columns. Then think about transaction number 5. It has given there are 20 transactions. Think about transaction number 5. Purchase goods item 150,000 on credit. Think values in 1000. Purchase goods item 450,000, values in 1000 on credit. Credit purchase effect for stock increase as well as creditors increase. Creditors equal trade payable. Therefore, credit purchase value equal 150,000. Stock increase 150,000 as well as trade payable liability also increase 150,000. Trade payable equal creditors. This is the credit purchase. Think about transaction number 6. Return 10,000 goods to the supplier due to defects, which is purchased on credit. This is the purchase return, which is purchased on credit 10,000. Think about purchase return. Purchase on credit, then return. Think about transaction number 5, credit purchase. If it has returned, it opposite side. Value equal 10,000. Therefore, 10,000 stock decrease as well as trade payable also decrease as a result of purchase return, which is purchase on credit. Then think about 7th one. There are 20 transactions and given 7th one sold goods with cost value 130,000 for 213,000 on credit. Think values in 1000. If it has given big values, can be record values in 1000. 30 can be cut. Therefore, cost value equal 130,000. Selling price equal 213,000 on credit. Therefore, 130,000 worth of goods was sold for 213,000 on credit. Therefore, transaction number 7th one, effect for stock decrease 130,000 cost value as well as debtor increase, debtor equal trade receivable 213,000. 213,000. Therefore, difference value profit. Now it has given equity separately. Therefore, profit should be recorded under retained earning columns. Therefore, difference value equal 83,000. Effect for retained earning increase. That is a profit on sales. Profit on sales. If it has given equity separately as a capital and return earning, under retained earning column should be recorded effect of income and expense. Then think about transaction number 8. Transaction number 8. The return of the goods sold on credit for 18,000. The cost of these goods was 10,000. That is a sales return. Think about sales return. It's selling price effect for debtor. It cost value effect for stock. If it has given sales return, stock increase, debtor decrease. Difference value profit also decrease. Therefore, return of the goods sold on credit for 18,000. It cost value is given 10,000. Think about sales return. Stock increase, cost value. And trade receivable decrease, selling price. Then difference value profit also decrease now. That is a sales return. Therefore, retained earning decrease 8,000. Retained earning decrease 8,000. Now think about transaction number 9th one. It has given there are 20 transactions. Transaction number 9th one. Obtain 5,000 worth of goods and 8,000 cash from the business for personal use. By the one, for personal use, that is a drawings. Obtain 5,000 worth of goods, that is stock drawings, and rupees 8,000 cash. Therefore, stock drawings and cash drawings obtained by the owner for personal use, that is a drawings. Therefore, drawings effect for stock decrease as well as cash drawings cash decrease. Stock drawings effect for stock decrease, it has given stock drawings 5,000 and cash drawings effect for cash decrease, given cash drawings 8,000 and total value 13,000. Drawings should be recorded under capital columns. Total value effect for capital decrease, thing under capital column should be recorded additional capital and drawings. Income and expense effect should be recorded under retained earning columns. Equity given separately. Then think about transaction number 10. Transaction number 10, it is given cash paid for creditors 205,000 and discount received 5,000. Cash paid for creditors 205,000 and discount received 5,000. Think about cash paid for creditors. Transaction number 10. Effect for cash decrease. 10th one, paid in cash. Therefore, cash decreased 205,000. As well as discount received is given. Discount received is income. Therefore, effect for retained earning increase. And think what is effect for trade payable. As a result of cash payments and discount received, both value effect for trade payable decrease. Creditors decrease. Therefore, creditors decrease by total value 210,000. As a result of cash payment as well as a result of discount received, both value effect for creditors decrease. Creditors equal trade payable. Then transaction number 11. Transaction number 11. Rupees 6,000 worth of electricity expense for the month of March 2021 was not paid. Think what we are going to provide information only month of March 2021. Electricity bill relevant for the month of March 21, but it has not paid. Those are called accrual expense. Think about 6,000 electricity expense was not paid. First one, think about electricity expense. 6,000. Therefore, equity decreased by 6,000. That is expense. If it has paid in cash, effect for cash decrease. But it has not paid. Therefore, other payable increase. Those are called accrual expense. Accrual expense is a liability, not paid in cash. Therefore, other payable also increased by 6,000. But if it has paid in cash, effect for cash decrease. If it has paid in cash, effect for cash decrease. Think about accrual expense. Electricity expense relevant for this month, but not paid in cash. Expense, therefore, return earning decrease, not paid. Therefore, other payable increase. Then think about transaction number 12. Transaction number 12. Donation of 7,000 worth of inventory and 3,000 cash for flood affected family. Donation, it has given stock donation and cash donation. Donation 7,000 worth of inventory and 3,000 cash for flood affected family. Therefore, donation also part of expense. Therefore, stock donation 7,000 effect for stock decrease. And cash donation effect for cash decrease. And donation is expense. Therefore, total 10,000 retain earning minus. Think equity given separately. Income and expense effect should be recorded retain earning columns. Therefore, stock decrease, cash decrease, as well as retain earning decrease. Think about transaction number 13. Transaction number 13. Rupees 8,000 building maintenance expense was paid. Think values in 1,000. Building maintenance expense paid in cash. Expense paid. Therefore, it is effect for cash also now. And if it is expense, it should be recorded under retain earning columns. Therefore, 8,000 building maintenance expense was paid in cash. Building maintenance expense paid in cash. Therefore, retained earning decrease and cash decrease. Cash decrease as well as retained earning decrease. 13th, building maintenance expense 8,000 paid in cash. Therefore, effect for cash decrease 8,000 as well as retained earning decrease 8,000. Building maintenance expense paid in cash. Any expense paid in cash should be recorded like that. If there is expense, effect for retained earning decrease. Think about transaction of 14. Cash receipt from debtor 252,000 and discount allowed 8,000. Cash received from debtor 252,000 and discount allowed 8,000. Therefore, cash received amounts and discount allowed. Effect for cash increase, discount allowed is expense. Therefore, think about transaction of 14. Cash received from debtor 252,000. Effect for cash increase 252,000 as well as discount allowed it has given 8,000. Discount allowed is expense. Therefore, retained earning decrease. Retained earning decrease 8,000 and both value effect for trade receivable decrease. Therefore, trade receivable decrease both value 260,000 total value. As a result of cash receipts as well as discount allowed, both value effect for trade receivable decrease. Think about transaction of 15. Transaction of 15. 8,000 loan installment has been paid and it is include 2,000 interest. Loan installment 8,000 paid in cash. It is include 2,000 loan interest. It means think about loan paid only 6,000. Paid in cash 8,000. It is include interest 2,000. It means as a loan paid only balance part 6,000. 8,000 minus 2,000. That is the value paid in cash as a loan. But paid in cash, effect for cash 8,000. Loan interest is expense. Therefore, transaction of 15 paid in cash. Therefore, cash decrease. Cash decrease 8,000 and loan interest is expense. Therefore, retained earning decrease 2,000. But difference 6,000 paid as a loan. Therefore, loan liability decrease only 6,000, not 8,000. 8,000 paid in cash, but it is include loan interest also. Loan interest. Then think about transaction number 16. Transaction number 16, it has given 6,000 worth of debtor are written off as a bad debts. Debtor written off as a bad debts. Bad debts is expense and as a result of bad debts, effect for debtor decrease. Therefore, debtor decrease, trade receivable decrease 6,000 and bad debts is expense. Therefore, retained earning decrease 6,000. Bad debts is expense. Bad debts is expense. Therefore, retained earning decrease as well as debtor decrease. Think how it records transaction number 16. Trade receivable decrease 6,000 as well as bad debts is expense. Therefore, retained earning also decreased by 6,000. Bad debts effect for trade receivable decrease. Trade receivable as well as bad debts is expense. Therefore, retained earning also decrease. Think transaction number 17. Transaction number 17, think about. It has given property, plant and equipment depreciation 4,000. Depreciation also expense. Therefore, effect for retained earning decrease as well as it is effect for property, plant and equipment also decrease. Therefore, property, plant and equipment depreciation expense. Therefore, return earning decrease as well as property, plant and equipment also decrease. 4,000 depreciation. Expense, therefore, return earning also decreased 4,000. Return earning also decreased 4,000. Depreciation is expense. Effect for property, plant and equipment decrease and return earning decrease. Think about transaction number 18. Rent income received in cash 7,000. Think about any income received in cash. It may be rent income, interest income, dividends income, commission income received in cash. Rent income received in cash. Cash increase as well as income effect for return earning increase. Therefore, return earning increase and cash increase. It has given 7,000 rent income. Therefore, 7,000 cash increase. Rent income received in cash. Therefore, cash increase 7,000 as well as income effect for return earning also increase. Cash increase, return earning increase. Then think about transaction number 19. Think about transaction number 19. 8,000 worth of stock was damaged due to fire. Damaged stock also expense. Therefore, effect for return earning decrease as well as stock also decrease. Stock damage. Therefore, stock decrease. Damaged stock is expense. Therefore, return earning decrease. 8,000. Therefore, damaged stock decrease 8,000. Stock decrease 8,000 and damaged stock is expense. Therefore, return earning also decrease 8,000. Damaged stock. Then think about transaction number last one, 20. It has given rupees 9,000 commission income received in cash. Like transaction number 18. Think about rent income received. Like that last transaction, rupees 9,000 commission income received in cash. Effect for cash increase as well as commission income effect for return earning increase. Therefore, commission income received in cash. Cash received, therefore cash increase, value equal 9,000. Transaction number 20. Cash increase 9,000 as well as commission income effect for return earning also increase 9,000. Think about there are 20 transactions. In accounting, we are going to provide information. From the beginning, you have to know how to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. Think about basic equation, assets equal liability plus equity, but given equity also separately. Capital and return earning. Think about if it is given like that, under capital column should be recorded only additional capital and drawings. But income and expense effect should be recorded under retain earning columns. But if it has given equity as a one item, drawings, additional capital, income, expense, all the effects should be recorded under equity column. If it has given as a one item, but if it has given separately, think how it records. And liabilities also given separately, asset also given separately. From the beginning, opening balances should be calculated, records. Opening balance should be recorded from the beginning. If it has given big values, should be record values in 1,000. After that, I will discuss how to prepare income statement as well as financial position. First one, record transaction by using accounting equation. After that, take the total value each column. Take the total value each column. Then you have to know how to prepare income statement as well as statement of financial position. Think what it has given. There are 20 transactions. Opening balance also given. Values it has given opening balance values in 1,000. And information given only for 1 month periods. If it has given big values, record values in 1,000. Right. I will discuss income statement also.